Hey guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial, we are going to build a complete PDF Toolkit Android app application using Jetpack Compose and Python inside Android using Chaquopy library. Okay, S- so this is not a demo project. We are building a production level application that will later include features like merge PDF file. Second one is split PDF file. Third one is image to PDF. So in this case, like for example, if user wants to select the images, multiple images, and want to create a PDF file, so that they can be able to do that. Also, product PDF file. So for example, you can see here, like for example, if you can open the any PDF file, then it will ask you the password. Okay, we have to implement the production PDF file, product PDF file. Also, last but not least, unlock PDF file. So let's get started. First, you need to install the Chaquopy library. This one. I am going to show you the steps as well. First, you need to go to the build.data file of the project level, and you need to include this line. Okay, in plugin section. Okay. Then you need to go to the app level Gradle file, and you need to add this line. Okay, in the plugin. Okay. Also, you need to install this. Okay, and pip. Okay, pip is used for the installation for any library in Python. Okay, also install by PDF, so it will be used to play with the PDF files. Okay, also you need to include the one DI in this project, so it will be easier to create instance of the classes. Okay, so let's go to the application main, and you can see here the it will create a Python. Okay, like Python package name. Okay, if the Chaquopy library is not created a Python package, then you need to manually create this one. Okay, after that, in this I have, you can see here I have already created a PDF underscore merge dot py. Okay, so this is the core. Okay, for the merging PDF file. Okay, also I have created a helper function, or you can say like which will merge function, which will communicate with the Python file instead of directly calling the either from the UI or from the ViewModel. Okay, you can see here this line is important. Okay, if the you did not initialize this line, then the code is not for the Python, because you need to install start the Python. Okay, so I have I have like included this these lines in the function. You can easily cut this line and paste this paste above the set content. Okay, so that if the application is started, then or it will automatically create the instance if not started. Okay, so there is no need to manually like code the inside the functions. Okay, also you can see here the file name should be matched with this. Okay, you can see here, otherwise it will crash or did not run. Okay, also for this here, this will be the function name. Okay, if there is this line this did not match, then it will crash or did not work. Okay, that's why you need to take care of these two file names. Okay, or you can say like parameters name. Also, let me show you the DE model. You can see here because in this case we are going to use ViewModel only. Then you can see I'm injecting the ViewModel only. Okay. Also, let me show you the extension function. You can see here, because we are going to use the Python. That's why we need to give the exact file name, or you can say like file path. That's why we have to create the copy to cache function. Okay, let me show you later. Okay, and if you want to save the output to downloads, then there is a helper function. Okay, it will save the file in the downloads section. Okay, also let me show you the view models. You can see here I have created the data class which will like return is loading merge PDF path and is error variables. Okay, you can see here. Okay, also this is the code for the view model. I have created a merge PDF function, and this is the files path of the user selected. Okay, so let's say if the user has selected 5 PDF file, then it will show the length of the list 5. Okay, then I'm converted it to the giving it to the helper function, or you can say like this function. Okay, and this will like return process the call the Python code. Okay, and it will return the string which will have the like the path. Okay, now let me show you the merge function, merge screen. You can see here like I'm creating the observing the state UI state from ViewModel. Okay, and you can see here like I created like variable which can store the URI. Okay, for all of the selected PDF file. Okay, now you can see here if the merging is successful, then this code will run, otherwise not. Okay, also you need like I have to create the launcher for the activity. Okay, also I need to give the type as well. You can see here application forward slash PDF. Okay, to show me the only PDF file. Okay, also you can see here this when you select the URI, then I have to give the get the path from like for the file. Okay, that's why you can see here it will return the file. Okay, then I'm getting the absolute path. Okay, of the file. Okay, now I'm calling this from the view model. Okay, and that's it. Now let's run the application. You can see here now I need to select the PDF files. So let's say like invoice, and okay, and I have selected the two PDF file. Okay, let's see. Let's run the application again. Let's see what's there. Let's see. I see. You can see here the Python is not in started. That's why this code does not work. Okay, so let's run the application again. You can see here. Now let's go to the file. Okay, you can see here. First one is selected one is this, and second one is like this. Okay, let me show you the one by one as well. You can see here invoice one is this and document is this. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any question or query, then let me know in the comments. Also in next tutorial I'm going to show you how you can implement the splitting functionality either with the single page, or you can say like either for the page range as well, where you can give you the you can give like the from page and like two page. So you can say like start page and end page. Okay, it will convert the selected page to the PDF file. Okay, alright, see ya, bye bye.